This tutorial takes us through the steps for using the auto threshold function. In this example, we want to threshold the bright parts of this kidney tissue. Normally we'd go to image adjust thresholds. We can manually adjust the threshold levels and the type of threshold applied. In order to see which type of threshold works best, we can go to Image Adjust Auto Threshold, which allows us to try all of these functions. We want to look at white objects on a black background, and we want to show the threshold values in a window. We can minimize this by pressing the minus button, and it shows us an example of each of the different types of thresholds set. This one in the top right looks the best for the analysis that we want to do. So we can use the pan tool to move across the montage to have a closer look. If we zoom in further, then we can see that this is the ISO data threshold, and we can see that that uses a threshold value of 49. Now we can go back to the original image, Image Adjust Threshold, select the ISO data, use the set function to set the correct threshold value of 49, click OK, and we have set our threshold for that image.